Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve this interesting Maths Olympiad exponential equation right here before us. We have here 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x equals 40. Here we have to find the value of x, but we'll satisfy this given equation. Now, we have a solution. Bring the question down here. We have a 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x equals 40. Right here, note that this is of the same order as a plus a plus a plus a, which will give us 4a. When as such, we are going to apply this same principle right here, and these left hand side expressions will give us 4x multiplied by 4 equals 40. Now, at this very point, we're going to divide both of the equation through by 4, divide here by 4, divide here by 4. Then here 4 will eliminate this 4, and here 40 divided by 4, that will give us 10. Here 1, here 10. Then as such, the equation becomes 4 to the power of x equals 10. Right here, I'm going to structure this equation. Now, I will choose to divide both sides of this equation by 4 again. Here, I will divide it by 4, divide here by 4. Now, at the left hand side of the equation, note that this expression is of the same base 4. When as such, in division from indices, we subtract the powers when the bases are the same. Therefore, at this point, I'm going to have here 4 to the power of x minus 1 equals here. Reduce this by 2, the numerator, 10 divided by 2, that will give us 5. Then all over 4 divided by 2, that gives us 2. Then at this point, I'll take this to base 2, take 4 to base 2. I'm going to have here 2 to the power of 2 into x minus 1 equals here 5 all over 2. And at this point, I'll multiply this power out, and I'm going to have here 2 to the power of 2x minus 2 equals 5 all over 2. And at this point, we're going to take the log of both sides of the equation, and we are going to have here log 2 to the power of 2x minus 2 equals log 5 all over 2. Now, at this very point, I'm going to apply power rule here at the left hand side of the equation. I'm going to return this power to the back of the log, and I'm going to have here, we're going to have here 2x minus 2 log 2 equals log 5 all over 2. And moving further, we're going to have this. Now, we are going to divide both sides of the equation through by log 2, and we have this 2x minus 2 log 2 divided by log 2 equals log 5 all over 2 divided by log 2. And here log 2 will eliminate log 2 here, and we have 2x minus 2 equals, note also that log 5 all over 2 can also be expressed as log 5 minus log 2 when all over log 2. And at this point, you are going to have here that 2x minus 2 equals here. This can also be expressed as log 5 all over log 2 minus log 2 all over log 2. And right here, we're going to have 2x minus 2 equals log 5 all over log 2 minus here log 2 will eliminate log 2 and we have a 1. Then at this point we are going to correct like terms and the equation becomes 2x equals log 5 all over log 2 minus 1. If you move to down here, become plus 2. Then the equation becomes 2x equals log 5 all over log 2 minus 1 plus 2, that gives us plus 1. Then also record that if you have log a all over log b, that is equivalent to log a base b. Now we are going to apply this principle right here, and the equation becomes here. We're going to apply this right here, and you're going to have it 2x equals log 5 base 2 plus 1. And we are looking for the value of x. Then we're going to divide both of the equation through by 2, and if you do that, the equation becomes x equals, we divide this all over 2, we are going to have 1 all over 2 into log 5 base 2 plus 1. And this is the value of x. But we will satisfy this exponential equation right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. And if you have done that already, thank you so much, and stay tuned for more interesting videos from this channel. See you in the next video.